Do you want to make eye-catching YouTube thumbnails that grab attention and boost your views? You came to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating stunning YouTube thumbnails using Canva, the best free and easy-to-use design tool for YouTubers. Canva is beginner-friendly and offers a wide variety of customizable templates, fonts, and stock images for free. You don't need design experience to create professional-looking thumbnails because it's all about simple drag-and-drop features, making it the best choice for YouTubers who want fast, high-quality results. Before we start, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because it would really help out the channel. So we will be doing this on our desktop or laptop, but the process is essentially the same if you use your mobile phone. I'm going to open my web browser and then navigate over to canva.com, and then make sure that you're logged into your Canva account. I'm already logged in, and you can see that I have my designs right here. I had been using Canva for the last 4 years, and it has really helped me out in building my channel and my brand. Now you'll see this little YouTube thumbnail option that's located above our projects and designs, but if I click on that option, it's just going to open a new blank page where I need to start from scratch. But there is a much better way of creating YouTube thumbnails with Canva. And let's go back to the main homepage. Canva offers a wide variety of high-quality templates, and let's select this Templates option, which is located at the left side of your screen. This is going to open another section in Canva where you'll be able to see templates for marketing, ads, social media templates, YouTube templates, and many more. But let's use the search bar by clicking here at the top. You can type YouTube thumbnail and then hit enter on your keyboard, and that's going to give you all of these different search results. But let's say you have a tutorial channel just like me, and you need to make a how-to template. You can type something like tutorial YouTube thumbnail, and then hit enter once again. You will then get thumbnails that are specially designed for your specific niche. For example, if you have a sports YouTube channel where you cover basketball, football, and other similar type of videos, you can type football YouTube thumbnail, and then find the thumbnail which you like. I have a lot of high-quality designs and thumbnails on this page, and you can take your time here until you find the right one. A lot of these thumbnails are absolutely free, but if you see that they have a little crown at the bottom right corner, that means that you'll need Canva Pro in order to get and use them. And Canva Pro costs around $15 right now, so keep that in mind. So I like this thumbnail about trading in crypto, so I'll click on it to select it. And then I'll tap on Customize this template, which will then open this design in my Canva editor. I can now customize this thumbnail to my liking, change the font, color, add or remove photos to it, and many more things. Let's say I don't like these coins which are on this design, and I'll want to change this to something else. I'll click on the coin, then on the little trash can icon, in order to remove this from my design. And I'll do the same thing for other coins as well. I'll now add a different element by selecting the Elements section at the left side of the screen. And then you want to search for a specific thing. Let's say I want a crypto element since my thumbnail and my video is all about cryptocurrencies. I'll type crypto in here, and then Canva is going to give me all of these different elements which I can use in my design. You will have different sections at the top, like these cool graphics, as well as the stock photos which they offer. So take your time here and just pick the element, or the photo, which will make your YouTube thumbnail stand out, and grab the viewer's attention. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how you can design good and eye-catchy thumbnails, make sure to leave a comment on this video, and also leave a like, and I'll make a separate tutorial in the near future. But that's essentially how we can use Canva to design high-quality YouTube thumbnails for your channel. Tell me what Canva tutorial you want to see next, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.